So let me give you a quick weekly update of the markets. I'm going to do this every week. If you want to capture it, look at my Telegram channel or sign up to through any of the links in the bio, and you're going to get a weekly update on the markets. One of the first things you're going to get, you get it in your inbox, and you'll get invited to the webinar. One of the first things you get, things like this. So whenever we get anything across my desk which is interesting, Morgan Stanley, Fallen Angels, they say buy the dip on these 5 global stocks. Which are they? They're these. None of them are on my approved filtered list. I have a higher filter process than do Morgan Stanley, in that I look at more factors on valuation, more factors on growth, more factors on income and cash flow and so on than they do. Does that mean my system's better? Probably. But the whole point of it is that what I'm saying is, let's see if I can share that with you. I'm going to pull that up. One of the things that I'm saying with that is that therefore they might have names that are not quite on my list. And I'll show you how I do it. So I will look through 10,000 equities, but filter through a lot more factors than they do. And that's why some of the stocks that come up on their name, like I said, may not make my list. Okay, so it's just to explain why things are like that. Like I said, look at the links in the bio, follow me for more, and you will get interesting data like this.